Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can mute someone's WhatsApp status updates on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, let's go ahead first access our WhatsApp. You can see this kind of interface, right? For the updates sake, we're going to tap on this updates option on bottom left. And now you can see this particular user has some update, so we're simply gonna go ahead tap on it. And now if you want to simply turn it off or mute, all we have to do is tap on this three dot icon on top right, tap on mute, and tap on, you can see, mute this user status updates. New status updates from this user won't appear at the top of the status list anymore. Tap on mute. Now it's confirmed, and you can see now that user is simply muted and you won't get any updates regarding him or that user on your WhatsApp status anymore. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.